hapon sa tanan. Seryoso, daw. Yes, of course, to all the honorable members of the 13th Sangguniang, sa aking bago mga miyembro for the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan, to our guest, of course, I'd like to recognize our former Vice Governor of the province of Iloilo in 2013, and now, Congressman Boboy Tupas. Our elected officials and other elected officials who are here with us today, ang tanan empleyado ng Iloilo Provincial Government, and of course, especially the SP, the Secretariat, headed by Attorney ito si Bobby June Raul Chisayco. Ito na! Thank you, Lead Attorney, and of course, the Tri-Media, ladies and gentlemen, again, good afternoon. First, this is now a time to say goodbye. Masubot, pero that is the reality of life. May kamay hindi word God, no? To our dear members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, to Honorable Dominico Valencia, to Honorable Dr. Tupas, both of you contributed a lot of memories to the four corners of this chamber. Dahil pinasahi lang galing kita, kaya naaptan kita ang COVID-19. No? As compared to all the others in Sangguniang. I know we tried and we did a lot, much more, no? In spite ng COVID-19. But I know we could have done more pagit kung wala taan kita na amdat ng COVID-19. Your legislative enactment and participation in debate and decision-making make the Sangguniang Panlalawigan a stronger legislative body of the province of Iloilo. A famous quote says, if you're brave enough to say goodbye, life will reward you with a new hello. To both of you, Fort Coy and Fort Dar, good luck on your new journey in your life. And thank you for being part of the Iloilo Provincial Government. Your works and memories will always be treasured by the employees, your colleagues, and the people of the province of Iloilo. It is also, I am also grateful to welcome two new members to the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan. There is welcome on the 1st District of Iloilo, former Vice Mayor, of course, Councilor, and Vice Mayor of the town of Niagao, an attorney, and now board member, Attorney Carmelo Nochete. And another new member, pasalamat na po kay babae, kung pa hindi pa kami mabuhingan pagkit, no? From the 5th District of Iloilo, Binky April Tupas. I welcome both of you, and I hope that you will enjoy working with us. To the new members of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan, it is the start of our journey being the new set of the legislative branch. And we are expected by our people to do our duties and responsibilities based on our mandates. I'm hoping that all of you will work harmoniously and cooperate for the best interest of our people. Lain-lain man kita ng partido. We may come from different political affiliation. But when you start on July 5, let us start working together for the province of Iloilo. Gani, sa tanan-tanan ninyo, we want equal opportunity for everyone, peace and security for our people, and liberty for the press, and dignity for everyone being. Let us respect one another and honor also for those who excel in their respective careers. We can be great with Iloilo, and I know we will be a greater. Again, to all of you, of course, at isa kong moderado, welcome ko ang board member na late. Kaya nag-attend pa ang outtaking dito sa Bano Dumangas. Of course, from the 4th District Review, Honorable Rolando Istura. Pagpaalam, and of course, board member Dorothy Paes. And also, before I go, kapasalamat man ako sa active SP Secretariat. Salamat kid for bearing with us. So, kakasagin, Attorney Susaito, salamat kid. I know it's also been a challenge for you for the past 2 years with COVID kita. Isa, wala kita kamaan, may session mo man dyan. Wala kita kamaan kung ano magkaratabo, but together, napakita ta. That we will survive this. Kabuligan kita tanan. Again, thank you very much. And